Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. What is coconut oil? The beneficial properties of coconut oil have been known for a long time. It was even called a cure for all ailments. But only recently has it started gaining popularity. Coconut oil is instantly recognizable by its heady coconut aroma, reminiscent of the tropics and summertime. The liquid product has a light yellow hue, and at temperatures above 20 degrees it turns white and solid, like fat. The shelf life is short, just 1 year. To keep the oil in an open container retaining its beneficial properties, the coconut flesh is used to make oils and milk. Coconut oil is widely used as a massage product. It also has an antibacterial effect, as it helps wounds heal faster. It is increasingly found in modern cosmetics. Coconut oil is used in hair masks. The oil has also found widespread use in facial skincare. With its moisturizing and restorative effects, it can be called a universal product suitable for all skin and hair types. What are the health benefits? The coconut water found inside the fruit is rich in calcium, potassium, and chlorides, which is why coconuts have gained widespread use in medicine. Studies have shown that coconut oil is an excellent natural antidepressant. Another interesting use is eliminating bad breath. On top of all that, coconut oil has a positive effect on the cardiovascular system and gut function, reduces the risk of blood clots, helps stimulate brain function, and lowers bad cholesterol levels. Daily consumption of the oil also leads to weight loss, by the way. Coconut oil has virtually no side effects, but of course, moderation is key in everything. Excessive use of the oil, both internally and externally, can trigger an allergic reaction and may aggravate existing chronic conditions. And that's all for today. Stay with us and subscribe to our channel. It'll be interesting, and most importantly useful.